Of the Kurdish region of Turkey from some of the people who live here. Here it is.
Welcome to Amed. I am Ari.
Rojbaş.
Evarbaş.
Kürtçe konuş, Kürtçe.
Evarbaş, merhaba. Navemin Arine, ejvalate Amed'ime. Tu bkhir haticaş.
But what about in English?
Şimdi İngilizce söyle. İngilizce.
I am Ari.
Yes.
Welcome to Amed Josh.
And Amed is how you call Diyarbakır?
Yes.
Yes. Sen söyle.
Is Amed.
Okay.
Love.
Where are we standing right now? What is this?
Sen tanıtım yap, ne diyor? Şehri tanıt.
This is River Dicle. River Dicle.
The Tigris, Dicle.
Dicle, Tigers Dicle, and Hefsel Garden.
Okay.
Hefsel Garden.
What about these? Why are there cows in the city park here? Cows.
Because this is what yemeği ya?
I don't know. This is our food?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. And why are there helicopters?
Helicopter is love me.
Oh.
Love us.
Okay. They're like
And
the
then, yes.
they're like the birds in Amed.
Yes. Love.
And what is this mosque right here?
Big mosque.
Yes.
Big mosque.
It's called Big Mosque.
Yes.
Okay.
And then Sur, Amed Sur.
So this is the city wall. The wall. We're on.
Wall.
Yeah, we're on the wall. The sur.
Yes.
Okay.
Because
And is there anything else? What is life like in Amed?
Şey,
Is it good? Is it fun? Is it bad?
night is very fun.
You like to party?
Yes, okay.
my favorite place is Hefsel Garden.
This place.
Yes.
What do you do in that garden?
Again, it's very amazing.
You go for a walk? You
Yes.
make a picnic?
Picnic and walking and trekking.
Look at.
And trekking. Anybody else?
That was helpful. Thank you. Geleg spas for this little tour of Diyarbakır, or you call it Amed.
Yes.
Do any of your friends want to say anything?
Bunu da fazla tuştuk bir version.
Welcome to Josh. Ahmed.
Geleg spas.
Spas first.
Welcome to Josh.
Welcome to Josh. Thank you, Arin.
We are Kurdish.
Şevbaş.
We are Kurdish.